Invoice number V7703. Today is December 15th, 2022. We are video inspecting the living room fireplace. Basic cleaning has been performed. Proceeding down with scan now. Approximate height will be given at the end of this video inspection. First course of flue down. Do have a gap at the mortar joint all the way around. Staggered tile. Another staggered flue tile. Another staggered tile. Looks like we have a little bit of a wash in that far right corner. We have a couple of open mortar joint areas there as well. Large gap in between the flue tile. You see this void. Wide open, very large. Staggered flue. Looks like we have a crack in the flue tile. Another pretty large stagger there. Okay. We are now entering the smoke chamber. Smoke chamber has a large void, as you can see, where the flue tile and the smoke chamber meet. On the front, the back, all around. Smoke chamber is unparged as well, all exposed brick. We are approximately 27 feet tall in height. Defects have been observed, and that concludes the video inspection for today.